2004 Honda Accord EX with some Honda Accord Sport rims on it. It has a bumper, so I bought a new bumper, which is in the car, and I'm gonna grab that bumper and I'm gonna throw it on here. But for right now, I'm gonna take this ugly ass bumper off the car and see what it looks like. I just took the duct tape off of the bumper and it looks good already. Alright guys, so there's a few things I still have to do. This is the new bracket, well, the new bumper bracket that I'm about to throw on for the car. And this is the old one. The old one is obviously bent, so that cannot be used. I'm gonna get the screw out right here and then bring it with me, go to the hardware store and grab some more screws like that so I can put it on and put the headlight in. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's literally so cold out right now, but you know the grind don't stop.
You don't waste no tires?
Yeah, I wear tires. Nah, it stays like that all the time.
So you had a hydraulic?
Nah, it's static. I don't do bags. Thank you, man. Alright guys, so I really didn't vlog the process as much as I really should. Matter of fact, I didn't even vlog the process at all, but I got the headlight on and I also got the front bumper bracket on, and the car is starting to look like a car again. This is how she's sitting right now. I'm about to put the bumper on it, see how it looks. Over here, I gotta do something about the fender because it's not fitting correctly. It's supposed to sit flush, but it's not flush at all. But I got all these stuff done, just gotta cut these wires up and throw the bumper on, tie all those stuff that's hanging down. Like all the stuff that's hanging down, I gotta get rid of that. Yeah, that should be it. Alright, so here's the bumper, but it's just a plain old black bumper. Alright guys, so go ahead and throw it on the car. Okay, so bumper is on. It actually looks like a car again. I also need the brackets to go right here. But for right now, I'm just gonna zip tie this up right here so it don't sag. And after I do that, we're gonna give the car a nice little wash, nice little interior cleaning, because all these dust and all these stuff gotta get out of here. So I'm gonna go clean the car, and that should be it, my friends. Move this thing and get started.
The next day.
Okay guys, so if you can't already tell, it's the next day. Unfortunately, yesterday I didn't get to finish up everything, but you guys see what the car looks like. You see that all I have to do is paint the bumper so that the bumper looks perfect. This is what it looks like right now. And I have to make it one color. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the bumper, and in the next vlog I'm gonna show you guys the finished product of what everything looks like. So this is the bumper, and this is the primer I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the primer on the bumper and then show you guys what it looks like. I just wiped down the whole bumper. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give it some light coats, just like the ones right here. Quasi acting like he's doing something.
Here.
What you doing so good, yo?
Organizing, nigga. I'm organizing.
But I'm giving it some light coats, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna see the turnout. I'm gonna show you guys the turnout in just a second. Guys, so I'm not no professional painter. That's why I'm spraying the bumper like this, but this is what my first coat looks like. It's not too shabby. It's not too shabby. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the second coat on. Alright guys, so I'm almost done with the second coat, and that's what it looks like. Why do you have a whole box of fucking cereal, yo? A whole box, yo.
Missed the spot.
You sound skinny. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna hit it with the rest of the coats.
Whoopsies! Whoopsies! Whoops. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Caught it.
I'm just seeing what dumb shit you gonna do. Yo, you're stupid, yo.
It's raining cereal. Are you dead ass nigga? Damn.
Now sweep this shit up, peasant.
Alright. See, now I'm not sweeping nothing. For 99 cents, I'll clean your garage.
Hey, buddy, you mind spraying the bumper for me?
You shake the can real. I'm the new Mario. Shake the can real good.
Wait, how you shake the can? How you shake the can?
One eternity later.
Even layers.
Good job.
What the fuck, nigga?
Wait, what was that?
Garage party, strip pole, yes, yes. Got the Coronas.
You gonna chug it? Chug it. Chug.
I'm about to chug the Corona.
Chug. I've been drinking that. Alright guys, so this is like the 4th coat and we're starting to get somewhere. I'm gonna let this dry up a little bit, put the other coat on, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I just finished the last coat on it. I'm waiting for it to dry up and actually see what it looks like. This part kind of dried up a little bit, so you guys can see like what it looks like. It looks pretty damn good to me. So I'm just waiting on everything to dry up. I'm gonna leave it overnight. Then I'm gonna slap it on the car, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like after. Snowing out right now. If you guys been watching all the videos, you should know that I had a wing, a spoiler wing, and it actually blew off. I don't know how or when, but it did blow off. So I ordered another one, and it should be coming in, and it's gonna be right here. And that one little feature made the car look 10 times better. Alright guys, so I just got done with the bumper, and that's gonna be it for this vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish the whole thing, and also I'm gonna be throwing some stuff on the Civic. So if you guys want to see what it is, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.